Hey guys, if your Changhong TV is acting slow, freezing, not connecting to Wi-Fi, or stuck on a glitchy screen, a quick reset can fix it fast. In this guide, I'll show you how to reset Changhong TV with a remote and without a remote, using the easiest working methods. With Remote Factory Reset, Method 1, Service Menu Shortcut. Step 1, turn on the TV. Step 2, lower TV volume to 0. Step 3, press and hold mute on the remote plus menu button on the TV together. Step 4. When you see S on top of the screen, the service menu opens. Step 5. Use remote to select factory. Reset then confirm, then turn TV off to exit. Without remote, method 1. Power reset. Soft reset. Step 1. Unplug TV. Step 2. Hold TV power button for 60 seconds. Step 3. Wait 5-10 minutes. Plug back in and turn it O.